The Wild Bird Society of Taipei, Protecting Land and Sky. There are 30 species of bird that are only found in Taiwan. Dozens more live on or fly through this beautiful East Asian island, but human activity is reducing their numbers. Inspired by these wonderful animals, a group of bird lovers got together in 1973 to create the Taiwan Bird Watchers Club. 11 years later, the club developed into the Wild Bird Society of Taipei, WBST. Made up of bird watchers and conservationists, the WBST wants to protect and celebrate Taiwan's rich bird species. Upon learning about the negative effects of human development on bird habitats, members of the society took action. They promised to educate people about birds and to protect them from harm. They now encourage average people to be more conscious of how their actions can affect birds. The WBST connects with people through community programs, bird-watching events, and environmental efforts. It works with other nature organizations, schools, and government bodies to raise awareness of bird conservation. The WBST's dream is to create a society in which birds and humans can live together in peace.